legs. There you
Get your
go.
legs going. Get your legs set. There you go.
Look here,
See
there's
how
an
high
egg
she
right
was?
there.
Look at that egg. You
You
see
get
it?
the egg?
Go get it. We don't have the glasses
Look here.
on. Uh-huh.
Yeah, here.
Chickens.
Reach
Bend
down.
and get it.
Bend down. Good.
Pick it up. There you go. You want to put it in?
Good
Good
job.
job.
Look here.
Hey, look, Marshall, there's another egg.
There's another egg right here. Here's a blue one. You see the blue
Over by
one right here by Daddy?
Look at the blue egg over by Daddy.
Right here, dude. Look here. Right by my foot. Do you see it?
See it? There you go.
You see that blue egg right there? Can you get it?
Right foot's turned in.
There you go.
Can you get it?
Down.
Bend down. Almost there.
Good job.
Good job, Marshall.
Good job.
Another one right here.
Go get the other one by Daddy's foot.
Right here.
Then go get that green one.
Marcia's hunting Easter eggs.
Kablooey. Ha 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 ha. Do you want to get back up?
It might hurt his knee.
Yeah, I know. You want to get back up? Let me go get that egg.
Get that egg.
Good job,
Get
Marcia.
that egg right there.
You gotta bend your knees and squat down. Squat down and get it.
No, he's turning that right knee.
Good.
That's what he always says.
job.
He always says that. Leave him in there, buddy.
All right. There's some more back here. Oh, there's one by Sissio's foot right there.
Standing legs. Standing legs. Come on.
Make it this way. That a boy. Good job.
Hold on, let me have your hands. There.
Eggs out here, man. That Easter bunny laid a ton of eggs.
Oh, you stepped on an
You
egg.
almost stepped on an
Oh
egg.
no, you stepped on an egg.
There you go. Almost.